Hi, I'm Jasper and I live in the state of California, across the water from San Francisco and its iconic Golden Gate Bridge. Over the past 5 years, California has suffered from an extreme drought period caused by global warming and climate change. Recent studies have estimated that the period between 2012 and 2015 was California's driest period in over 1200 years. Everyone in California has felt the impact of this extreme drought period, especially in the availability of fresh water. From the point of view of a local policymaker, there are numerous actions that can be taken. First of all, they could be setting targets for water use reduction, combined with sanctions or incentives. Most people are more willing to take action when they can save money or avoid paying fines. A barrier here would be that setting targets and sanctions would make local government officials uncomfortable, as they might not get re-elected because of these measures. Second of all, creating and raising awareness and educating people on the problem and the possible actions would be very useful. Some people just don't know where to start and can use some help. Concerned residents shouldn't wait for the local government to act, but can already start taking actions. For instance, changing the landscape around your house, making the vegetation more drought resistant and less water demanding. Also, switching off the automatic irrigation system will reduce the amount of water unnecessarily used. However, these measures will probably mean additional investments, more manual labor, and getting rid of the beautiful rose garden. Also, go around the house and start replacing old plumbing fixtures to reduce leaks and unnecessary water loss. Also replace older appliances in kitchens and bathrooms with newer, more efficient models. Those appliances will use far less water and avoid inefficient use of water. Barriers in this case could be the required level of investments that might be challenging for people. Also, one thing that would not cost anything is trying to influence the people around you in the neighborhood or community by showing how you have reduced your freshwater use. Who needs to act on climate change? To be honest, everyone should act on climate change. This is a global problem, not a problem for just one person, state or country. Even if your federal government is denying the whole concept of climate change and global warming, this doesn't mean that people can't act together with the local government and start taking action.